Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy MB. I'm about to play White Noise. This is my first time playing, but let's go. Okay. Okay. I'm at a clone nightmare. Who should I pick? I'm just gonna pick random. Okay, follow the table course. Somebody told me this was like Slender Man. So, yeah. Okay. Let's This is like somebody had got here a lot. Okay. What's that? Oh, that's a hand. Wait, a hand? Huh. Weird.
Are you still here?
You're ready to replace.
Yo, Envy.
Oh! Okay, this is where they said this is the scary part. Okay. Whoa! Okay. Don't like that. I know he's right behind me. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Get off me. Come on. Okay. Okay, go fire. Oh, Jesus! Oh no. Leave me alone. Can I go here? Can I? No, I can't. Oh my. Why won't you leave me alone? Oh my. I'm gonna try to fucking take recorders, man. Leave me alone. Okay. Oh. Come on, man. You didn't run, man. Run for it. Run. Whoever made this game, I hate them. I'm getting scared. Bro. Okay, where is he? Okay, now I'm getting real scared. Oh, Jesus! Let me go here. Let me just go here. I want to be like the dumb highway person. Okay. Okay, really? I got Freddy right behind me. Yep. What is this? What is this? I'm done. I am done. No. That don't make no single sense. Well, this is episode 1, everybody. See y'all later. I got 4.55. Yeah. I don't like this game. If y'all want episode 1, well, if y'all like episode 1, please leave a like in the comment and look at this replay. And I just do not like that. I was scared. So, yeah. Let me see where he got me trapped at. Yep, right there. I'm done with this game. Well, yeah, this is episode 1. If you want episode 2, please leave a like and comment, and also hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah. Shout out to everybody who I know, and yeah. I am done. Just done.